Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm speaking to those of you who are hungry, not for comfort, but for creation. If you're someone who is ready to step up, own your hours, and command your income, then listen carefully. I built my wealth by solving problems, finding leverage, and executing daily, with relentless precision. Today, I'm giving you 10 practical, proven ways to generate $100 a day, sustainably, ethically, and powerfully. Let's get right into it. 1. Freelancing in high-demand skills. Now listen, skills pay the bills, and the digital economy pays top dollar for specialists. If you can write, design, code, or manage social media, you can start on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. But don't sell yourself cheap. Package yourself as a professional. Action plan: create a stellar profile. Pick 1 to 2 skills like copywriting, graphic design, or video editing. Offer a $100 service, deliver excellence, and upsell on value. You don't need hundreds of clients, just 1 or 2 high-value ones. 2. Sell digital products. One product, infinite sales. That's the power of digital assets. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, AI prompts. People will pay for speed, clarity, and tools that save time. Action plan: use ChatGPT or Canva to create your first ebook or template. Sell it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy Digital. Promote via Twitter, Instagram Reels, or Reddit. Automated income isn't a dream. It's just the result of smart systems. 3. Affiliate marketing. You don't need to build the product. Just build the bridge. Brands pay you for sending traffic that buys. It's that simple. But the real players don't spam links. They build trust and content ecosystems. Action plan: choose a niche: fitness, tech, finance, beauty. Start a TikTok, blog, or newsletter. Join affiliate programs on Amazon, ClickBank, or PartnerStack. Promote honestly. Share value. Drive sales. $100 per day equals 10 sales of $10 commission. Very achievable with targeted traffic. 4. Drop servicing. Forget inventory, forget logistics. You sell the service, others deliver it. You are the brand, the storefront, the negotiator. Action plan: build a sleek one-page site, Wix, Card, or Framer. Offer services like logo design, SEO audits, or resume building. Hire freelancers from Fiverr to deliver under your brand. Charge $150, pay $50, pocket the difference. 5. Flipping arbitrage, online and offline. Buy low, sell high. This is pure capitalism at its most fundamental. Action plan: go to local thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. Scan items with the eBay app or Amazon Seller app. List products online at markup. $10 profit per item times 10 items equals $100 per day. It's real. I've seen teens do it consistently. 6. Consulting or coaching. If you've solved a problem in your life, weight loss, debt, productivity, career growth, people will pay for the shortcut. They want frameworks, not fluff. Action plan: define your niche and target market. Set up a Calendly page for one-to-one sessions. Charge $100 per hour. Deliver transformation, not just information. It's not about fame, it's about impact and results. 7. Print on demand store. You design, they print, you profit. No inventory, no stress. Action plan: use Printful or Printify integrated with Shopify or Etsy. Create designs around trending niches, memes, pets, career slogans. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva for design. Promote via Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram. $100 a day is just a handful of hoodie or mug sales away. 8. AI-powered resumes, letters, and editing Leverage AI for services people still find painful, like writing resumes, cover letters, or editing essays. Action plan. Set up a service site. Brand yourself professionally. Offer packages. $50 resume plus $50 cover letter. Use ChatGPT plus Grammarly to polish everything. Focus on speed, results, and testimonials. Great for students and job seekers. Huge demand. 9. Local services. Simple yet powerful. Sometimes old school wins. People need dog walking, lawn mowing, tutoring, furniture assembly. You name it. Action plan. List your services on Craigslist, TaskRabbit, or Nextdoor. Keep your branding clean and trustworthy. Offer referral bonuses. Deliver outstanding service and reliability. In many towns, this can scale to $300 to $500 a day with ease. 10. Build a monetized newsletter or YouTube channel. This is long-term, but extremely powerful. Content creates compounding attention. Attention equals money. Action plan. Pick a niche. Educate or entertain. Grow on YouTube Shorts or Substack. Monetize via sponsorships, ads, affiliates, or digital products. Track analytics. Build an audience. Nurture them. Day 1 might earn $0. By day 100, you could be making $500 per day. And there you have it. 10 powerful ways to start earning $100 a day. If you found value in this video, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop content like this regularly to help you level up, earn more, and live smarter. Until next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and go build something great.